Hi everyone, today we will present about utilization of edible coating from aloe vera gel and cassava starch.
Before that, we will introduce ourselves.
My name is Zahra Kamila.
And I'm Dia Umaira.
We're from SMP Swasta Ahmad Yani Binjai.
So, let's move to the presentation.
Edible coating is a thin coating made from food ingredients that function to inhibit bacteria that the shelf life of food can be increased.
We made edible coating from aloe vera gel and cassava starch. Aloe vera is such an anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antibacterial, and cell generation. And cassava starch is easy to decompose. This research aimed to find out how to make edible coatings from aloe vera gel and cassava starch on guava, tomatoes, and red chili. And to find out how to use of edible coatings from aloe vera gel and cassava starch on guava, tomatoes, and red chili.
Advantage of edible coating compared to synthetic packaging are that they can be consumed with packaged product, reduce environmental pollution, can improve the organoleptic properties or packaged product, can function as nutritional supplement and antimicrobial agent and antioxidant.
And here's the tools and materials.
Preparation of aloe vera. Aloe vera flesh was cut into small pieces, then blend until smooth, then filtered to obtain a fine gel of aloe vera juice. This fine aloe vera gel is called 100% concentrate aloe vera gel.
Preparation of cassava starch. Cassava is sorted and washed clean. The cassava is peeled and then cut into small pieces and then crushed with a grater machine until it becomes mush.
The pulp is filtered with a filter cloth and deposited for 24 hours. The water was removed.
Next, manufacturing of edible coatings. Cassava starch was dissolved in 100 ml of distilled water with a concentration 2% and 4% cassava starch. Edible coating is made as much as 500 ml. Beginning by dissolving CMC 0.4% and stirring. Add cassava starch 2% and 4% at 70 Celsius until homogeneous for 3 minutes and add 5% glycerol and stir. Add 0.5% potassium sorbate, stir, and 0.5% stearic acid.
Next is the coating process. Guava, tomatoes, and red chili that have been selected as sample are dipped into the gel or gel according to the treatment until the entire surface is cooled. After that, observe for 7 days. Result and discussion that we got of edible coating aloe vera and cassava starch. Edible coating aloe vera is clear edible coating liquid. Edible coating liquid is thicker. Edible coating liquid is more sticky. Edible coating cassava starch is edible coating liquid is white. Edible coating liquid has unpleasant odor. Edible coating liquid is more slushy.
On the left is an edible coating made from aloe vera, while on the right is an edible coating made from cassava starch.
The quality parameters observed in the study were organoleptic quality consisting of skin surface and integrity, color, aroma, and taste. The measurement of this organoleptic property is given a score in accordance with the provision of SNE, where the highest score is 12 and the lowest is 0. Organoleptic quality of fruit and vegetable without edible coating. From the data present, guava, tomato, and red chili were able to inhibit spoilage compared to good control at room temperature during 7 days of storage. Because aloe vera gel contains polysaccharide, oxidase enzyme, antibiotic, and antifungal as inhibitor of the growth of organism to prevent growth.
On the left is the organoleptic quality of fruit and vegetable with edible coating derived from aloe vera. And on the right is the organoleptic quality of fruit and vegetable with edible coating derived from cassava starch. And here's the result and discussion.
Conclusion of this study. Studying the ability of aloe vera gel as a natural preservative by observing the organoleptic quality of guava, damage, tomatoes, and red chili at room temperature storage with various levels of edible coating derived from aloe vera and cassava starch. Edible coating are able to inhibit decay compared to those without edible coatings. Because edible coatings contain polysaccharide, oxidase enzyme, antibiotic, and antifungal components, which are useful as inhibitor of the growth of microorganisms, thereby preventing spoilage.
Oh, that's all our presentation about edible coating. Hope it may useful for you guys.
Thank you!